Welcome back. I'm Robert Flowers, and in this video, I'll be discussing how to finance a rental property. Financing a rental property can be a complex process, but there are several options available to investors. First, traditional mortgage loans can be used to purchase rental properties. These loans typically require a down payment of 20% or more and have a higher interest rate than a primary residence mortgage. Second, portfolio loans are offered by some lenders to investors with multiple properties. These loans typically have a higher interest rate but offer more flexible terms than traditional mortgages. Third, hard money loans are a short-term option for investors with less than stellar credit or those who need funds quickly. These loans often come with high interest rates and fees, but can be a useful option for investors with a short-term investment strategy. Lastly, private money loans are loans from individuals or private lenders. These loans may have more flexible terms and lower interest rates than traditional loans, but they often require a personal relationship with the lender. No matter which financing option you choose, it's important to have a solid business plan in place and to understand the risks involved in investing in rental properties. If you want to know more about financing rental properties, then stay tuned for this video on private money lending.